Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your location settings on your iPhone. It's quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the method 1, that is to fully reset location and privacy settings. To do that, simply open the settings app on your iPhone, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled General. And once you are in the general section, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And here simply tap on the reset option and then select reset location and privacy. Now you need to enter your passcode when prompted, and a message will appear confirming that this will reset location settings to factory defaults. So simply tap on reset settings. And once you do that, all the location data and settings will be restored to defaults. And with that, let's move forward to the method 2, that is to clear specific location data. So if you don't want to erase everything, you can clear specific location history instead. To do that, simply go back to the main settings, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now, in this section, you need to simply tap on location services at the top. Now, you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on system services. And here you simply need to tap on significant location, and you may need to enter your passcode or use Face ID for that. And here you can tap on clear history to delete all the saved location, and you can also toggle off the significant location option to prevent tracking in future. And that's it. Now your location settings are reset and cleared depending on your choice. Hope this helped you out. If it did, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.